Chicken business is definitely a good business. I've seen many success stories. People are doing so well. But as ever, like anything else, it is not easy. One of the hardest things I'm doing is trying to do this chicken business while relying on other people to work for you. Oh my goodness me, it's so hard. We are taking out coffee husks that were put in while I was at a conference, and they changed the coffee husks. I think they put in about 4 bags, because so far we've taken out, we've taken out about 3. We've taken out 4 bags of coffee manure. Now this young boy you see here was one whom had told to start working the chickens, and since he started working the chickens, every day I would lose a chicken. So the day I would have to maybe go out, I would come back and find the drinkers are not done properly. Listen, he was very good at other things, but chickens, he wasn't. And sometimes it's good to notice when somebody's good at something and then change them. If he's working with somebody else, he's okay, but working alone, no, he wasn't. And that wasn't his strength. His strength, his strength lied in other things. So, I'm sorry, I'm just going on about without saying hello to you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is Auntie Jackie at Jackie's Dairies. This is the reality that we are living in. Looking after chicken, trying to raise chicken as a form of a business. It hasn't been easy. So far, it's just been spending, and no profit at all. But like they tell me, hang in there, and I'm trying to hang in there to see how far it goes. Today we are changing the chicken husks, and with that, to just eliminate a lot of smell, we put charcoal. So to ensure that we don't use the charcoal, we don't put charcoal in the chicken house, which we could have used for cooking, we have to separate and pick out the bigger pieces, and that's what we're doing now. Those are the bigger pieces we're putting out now. So this is what we have sorted out. This is what we are sorting out. This is what we are sorting out. And so we need that. Once the charcoal dust has been picked, we bring it in the chicken house and spread it around before we put the coffee husks on top. Yes. Taking the coffee husks out. Umugashembayo. Achare kandi. Twasiga budde mungahe? Kamwe. Akijwire. Mugabe nansha ngaruke makijwire. Akechweka. We've already put ash. Now we are putting this. You can't. Shatamo bura marumu mpaka urire.
Eka mubindi.
Mpaka urite mu bwinshi. Akana ndari club tutakuri. Kongeramo. Tukaza kongeramo. So we have 1, 2, 2.5 sacks of manure. At this time, I wasn't aware that this young boy wanted to go, but he had been in such a mood that even talking to him would not answer you back, and I would literally have to ask him over and over again. I knew that I was going to be looking for another worker, but not so soon. So the moment he finished this, he told me, I'm going and I'm not coming back. So that left me in a big fix, because this is work which you need somebody else. But well, that's life. So I haven't even washed my face from 6. Woke up quickly, came. We did that because we've had bad poo. We have a runny poo. It's not all those. So I'm clearing this. Then we gave Popo, as you can see, drinking. Popo, what else? Charcoal, chili. So I'm hoping to see how it goes. So treat organically. The last time they had runs, we did do Popo for 3 days. Actually, they got compacted. So they told us to put a little bit of cooking oil in their water, and then yeah, it became better. So let me see how it goes today. Yeah, I've had to wash everything out, and yeah, that's how it is. We've had to wash everything out, and we continue. Okay, it's coming out to what time? It's past 9. I'm going to get myself ready, wash my face, brush my teeth, and then we have breakfast. But yeah, made a mistake. I don't know if you can see this. Let me see. Made a mistake. Came to do my poultry farming in my gown. This young man was so mad. He was so, I don't know. All he used to do is have earphones in his ears all the time. You'd sometimes be speaking to him and he would not answer you. And he'll say, oh, no, it's okay. Music is so low, I can hear you. But of course, I know you can't. Just, your mind's divided. And yeah, he's pounding the banana leaf, as well as we're going to do the chicken, the popo for the chickens. So that's what we do their meal. In the morning we give them proper, mash and all that, and in the evening we do the vegetables with mash, mixed with mash. So yeah, that's why she's pounding over there. So those are sweet potatoes there that we're meant to have given to the chickens. Take off the leaves, give them the chickens, but we delayed to do it. And I say we delayed because I wasn't able to push them. I find that I have to push them, do this. There's slightly no initiative. So of course they have gone bad. And what we're going to do, we're going to be using them for planting only. Yeah. Okay, that was what. Hmm? Sasa mkibike chompaho. Tubikamu ingalo ziri clean, tubikamu tumengo amizi kana gahwamu. Squeeze all the water out, and then those ones we put them in their food today. You need to squeeze the water out of there. As if white edges, and that's my issue. My white edges, kind of don't understand my white is out tight edges. Akamwena murasaro kinga. That's it. Ibiza kuhemere. Okay, katurebe kandi mugaragara. There we are. Mixed with stems. for their dinner today. Within our village, to get pawpaw leaves is very, very difficult. But we are so blessed and lucky that we get lots of banana stems, and very few people use them. So we're on the way to the garden to pick one banana stem, which we'll be using the next day. Kanye to umwana ho niba naneze akezo kumushashura. Twine. What's correct, pa? This is how we harvest. Eh? Ushishikire? Gubonire? Gubonire. No man, bakakitwara cyacinde cyabe kiri hano. Nitwe cyangwa abantu bakubara kugira. Hamwe n'ecyo mpo kiri gusa. Kikabire cyo ndikashe. Kicari. Kiri. Kaje mbagambire. No kireba? Kiri hariya. Kaje mbagambire baje cyakira. Haza bakitse bacyari kisantusha tuyamba. Akechi mpacho na twatini kuza hasi munonga. Dukafuruge. Nori batatu kuza hasi munona aho yafigu turasharaho. Naho tushareho. Umurugo waguzire basi gusharire basi. Ubukoko. Nenskoko. Enjoka. Ha. Ngenda asa nko kwiruka. Ndashatse cyenda cyo cyo natuciheho. Noreba. Ubwo bukoko noje nabwo. No ishuke no of course birere no bumanya. Kankorage birere abana babirere ncyari muto. Amwe ne no mupira gwe kirere. Kabira ko cyari muto turabimanya Eliya. Turabikoze. Sho. Habwenshi. Kuno yipanka Eliya uri hatari ko uri mukuru munonga. Uri mukuru. Kuno Eliya kuchona chishikireki. Jackson no kuma turi hebya higuru. Ibiko byomi. Na wito. Na wito. Na wito. Ninguja kure. Na wito. Kare kanje nini n'abagenyi banje. Zakwigura gate n'abagenyi banje. Kare katuze nje kujya abagenyi banje. Guys, I was doing this, but we have visitors. The only issue is let me go through here. Will I make it? Hi, darling.